There we go. Right here. Wow. Very clean. We have the refrigerator. You can make hot water. This is our bed. It's more clean.
Oh, where's the...
And we have
Here is-
sleepers. We have blower. And this is where we're gonna put our luggage. And you have big TV. We can watch YouTube. Another. This one. Then put it again on this video.
Oh, yeah, good.
We don't want your guys' bed. We want our bed.
Oh, sorry, you cannot see.
Oh. We have the table right here. Nice. You can order food. Oh my god, very expensive.
CR.
Here. Where's the 101? Justin, marami dito. Bigyan natin sa pagkakasay. Sige, tanggol naman. Okay, tanggol sa kami na ito. Ano silang bago?
Mama, that is
And the bathroom, oh, very sanitized.
Man.
a bed is our bed, Mama.
Huh? How much is this?
Every bed. A bed is our bed.